So hi, I'm Shreya Tiwari. I'm currently the National Project Officer at UNESCO MGI. Involves designing strategy, doing ed policy analysis for looking at areas where teacher professional capacity may be needed. So and it's hard to explain because it's like a ground on which you stand on, And let's remember that is still a course which is cognitive. Right? It's a course which teaches me a lot. So I came out knowing a lot, but I did not come out being able. It gave me the space. It gave me the field to play with, like the most perfect fertile ground. It trains you to be able to go in a field in curriculums are landing, how teacher designs are landing, how policy is landing, making sense in you on assessing the field. They train you so well on getting the theory right, but not on this bit. And that's been the biggest value add of the fellowship for me. After the fellowship, I joined the foundation and I joined in as a PL. I was trying to do some curriculum design for school leadership, putting together like a personal leadership curriculum that we had back then for the PLDP program. In 2013, I was chosen as a faculty assistant professor at NIPA, which is the National Institute of Educational Planning and Administration, so in school leadership for the country, etc. But thanks to my experience, of course, with fellowship and some school leadership curriculum, program handbooks, etc. After which I worked with UNFPA on an Ayushman Bharat curriculum. I then joined back the organization, Piramal Foundation. Then I joined UNESCO MGIP in 21, and it's been 3 years. Let's learn it. We are going to have to walk that path, and we're going to have to bring all our vision of the fellowship and do it with all the humility so that then you end up making space for yourself. I've been lucky when I went to Nigeria and I was just amazed and I saw kids there and I visited another school in South Africa and I'm like, you know what? Kids are still so, that India is struggling with. मेरे भारत के teachers को भी तो यही struggle है. Besides, शायद भारत में data cost इतनी कम है, they've moved on much more compared to South Africa. And I had a moment and I was, for Bharat, it is for kids. And I realized that happening. And it was a moment of euphoria. Delhi के बच्चों को नहीं चाहिए, है ना? So for me, I think it's all of that, my vision.